Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at these Wancelot metal D&D dice. As you may know from previous videos, I like to play Dungeons & Dragons, and of course when you play Dungeons & Dragons you need a lot of dice. It's actually not really useful, but you really need them, you need to collect them all. And I got these as a gift, they are really cool, so I wanted to share them with you. Let's open up the box and find out how they look. Okay, so this is the inside of the box. As you can see, there are 7 dice inside it, and they are all round. And that's actually quite original for D&D, because most dice are not round. You got square one, you got even triangle ones, well, whatever, D20s, but all of these are round, and it doesn't matter what the number is. This is a D100, and as you can see, it's pretty clear. The numbers are easy to locate, but it's round. Why are they round? Well, because it looks really cool. And does it roll? Yes, it does roll. It's actually pretty good. I'm gonna try and show you guys how it works. Maybe they will roll off the table. Let's find out. And that, my friends, is a 40. So, what's actually pretty cool. They look really nice, they feel really nice, it's really metal. I think it's even like copper or something. What makes it extra cool is that there's a dragon design behind the numbers. Okay, so this is the D4 dice, and because there are less numbers and the dice is just as big as the others, you can see the dragon really well. It's a really cool design, it's really precise. This is like a great product, guys. Just look at how it looks. Okay, so all in all, these are a couple of really cool dice. They look cool, they roll well. They were a bit hard to use in the dice tower because my dice tower wasn't big enough, so I guess I got to build a bigger dice tower in the future. But they do look really nice, they feel really nice, they roll really nice. And the numbers actually do come up really well, it's not a problem. I was actually a little bit scared that you couldn't read them as well when I first got them, because, well, it's so much numbers on some of the die. But it really doesn't matter, it works much better than expected. So all in all, this is a great product, guys. I would rank this 5 stars. I can't wait to play D&D again and show these babies off. So thanks for watching, please subscribe, and of course, check you later.